Hi everyone, today I'm back with a new French lesson. So just like every month I will be teaching some pronunciation, grammar, but also we will look back to some vocabulary, so let's get started. So let's start with some pronunciation. So today we are going to learn to pronounce this. So when those two letters are together, you will have the sound O. Now let's see a few words with those two letters together. So, pause, chaud, jaune. So now let's learn some French grammar. So today we're going to learn to indicate a place where you are, but also we will learn some localization word. So in order to indicate where you are, you will need to use the verb être, which is to be, as well as a preposition. Today we will be learning the general preposition 1. In order to indicate where you are, you will have to use this construction. Sujet, être, préposition, nom. So for example, let's see a few sentences using this construction. Je suis à la boulangerie. Nous sommes à la maison. Tu es à l'école. So now let's learn some localization word. Sur, entre, dans, sous, derrière, devant, près de, à droite, à gauche, loin de. So that's all for the grammar part today. So now let's look at the vocabulary we used in this lesson. So, pause, chaud, jaune, boulangerie, maison, école, sur, entre, dans, sous, derrière, devant, près de, à droite, à gauche, loin de. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next month with a new French lesson. Bye!